Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I thought I'd showcase this 10 ounce Queen's Beast Completer coin in more detail. Now the other video I did wasn't in my normal setup, so although it came out quite nicely, you couldn't really appreciate the true beauty of this coin. Now absolutely stunning looking coin. Now really shocked that it hasn't got any milk spots on it either. Now, someone did mention in the comments of the video when I unboxed this, saying that they take more time with the kind of bigger coins, and they do extra treatments on them to ensure they don't milk spot. Now, I'm not sure how true that is, but it's a shame they don't kind of treat their smaller coins the same way if they've already got some sort of process where they kind of reduce the milk spotting. Now, it might just be temporary. This might have milk spots in the future because sometimes it can take a couple of years for milk spots to rise on the actual coin. But for now, we can't see any milk spots. Really nice looking piece of silver. I think the designs on these are so good. I've got a 1 ounce gold Queen's Beast Completer, and that's the smallest kind of denominator I have, and even that size you can really appreciate each individual animal on the coin. I think it's done really nicely, really effectively, in a way that they don't look too crammed in either. So yeah, just a gorgeous design. I really do hope that when the Tudor Beast series finishes, their completer coin, if they release one, looks even half as good as this, because absolutely stunning looking piece of silver. Really impressed with it. Now I also wanted to discuss the new Britannia, the 2023 Britannia that the Royal Mint have announced on their website. Now there's a lot of kind of comments going around about how it looks like Michael Jackson with the nose, who ate all the pies, because they're saying that Britannia's face looks quite round, and all these different kind of negative comments. Now, I'll be interested to hear from anyone if they actually like the design. Personally, I'm not a massive fan of it. I don't really like the whole, how they've tried to make the horse half kind of sea creature with the kind of flippers on its feet and stuff like that. I just don't think the coin really works very well. But then sometimes these sort of coins in the future, the ones that you don't think will do very well, actually do better because not as many people buy them, because they're not a massive fan of the design. So therefore, there's less of them about. And also, if people do buy them and they're not a massive fan, they might not necessarily look after them as much as they would look after a coin that they really like the look of. So in the future, you'll have less coins in the proof boxes that are kind of still boxed and in good condition, because people have kind of not spent as much care storing it or looking after it because they're not a huge fan of it. So I'll be interested to hear your thoughts on that. Do you like the new Britannia coin that the Royal Mint have released, or are you kind of on the fence still? Because there are mixed kind of comments about it. Now I'm just going to get a 1 ounce silver coin to compare to this one, just so you can really see the true size of this. Now you can see it's actually huge in comparison, and considering it's 10 ounces, it just looks bigger for some reason. I feel like the thickness is very similar to my kind of 10 ounce bars, but the way it's kind of spread out, it just makes it look a lot bigger than 10 ounces. So yeah, really nice coin. Like I said, that's the size comparison to an American Silver Eagle. Really is a thing of beauty. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about this coin, and also let me know in the comments what you think about the new 2023 Britannia. Will you be adding it to your stack, or will you be giving this one a miss? As always, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.